Alrighty. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to do this. Oh, there's a letter that I'm not gonna show because it has my dad's name on it. Let's go. Okay. Oh my gosh. There he is. Oh my goodness. Get him out. Oh my gosh. He's beautiful. Alrighty. And yes, the tape is still sealed, so he's new in box. Oh my gosh, he's beautiful. And then, yep, here's the, holy, these are bigger than I thought they were gonna be. Look at that guy. Oh, and he still has his tag too. That's cool. Alright, so here he is. I'm very excited to have him. I haven't seen anyone unbox a, like 2001 Furby yet. And yes, here's the Furby Buddy. These are actually like a lot bigger than I thought they were gonna be. It's pretty cool. So here's a 360 of the box. And then the bottom as well. Wow. Alright. Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna open him. Because I already opened one of these guys. And I want to keep one new in box at least. So yeah. Alright, that's it for today, I guess.